The two little doggies, they like to wrestle a lot. They're little wrestlers. This is Otis. This. Ow! 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 No, that's not good. Okay, baby. Hey, honey. Ah. Okay. Hey, oh my god. She gets really, really hyper when Odie is around because all she wants to do is wrestle. Hey, no. No bueno. Stop it. I'm going to get her shots and then we're going to get her trained because she needs to be a nice puppy. Otis. He kind of instigates the Who does that? Stop! Oh, honey, stop it. Stop it. Oh, calm, baby. I love you. Ouch. Oh, my little baby. Look at her little baby. Oh, I love you. Stop. Calm. Honey. Oh, my God. She's like a little, wild. She's so wild. And they're bad together. Hey. No. Hey, Otis. Stop it. Stop. Calm down, guys. Okay. Wrestling is done. No more wrestling. They look like they just caught with their, hand in the cookie jar. Hey, rookie. Hey, stop. Calm down. Peaceful. Look at the baby. No, not my hair. How's my baby? She looks like a shark.